Welcome to Keto Labs How to series. Today, we're going to show how to create and configure Databricks clusters. Previously, we showed how to set up a Databricks workspace using Azure. If you hadn't watched the previous video yet, make sure to check it out in the description. Now, sign into your Databricks workspace and let's get started. In the Workspace dashboard, click Compute on the left sidebar. This brings us to the Clusters Management page. Here, click Create Compute. To configure your cluster, give it a name. For this example, we'll name it Data KL Cluster. Under Policy, we will select Unrestricted to grant full access permissions. Here, Multi-Node is for distributed workloads where multiple nodes are required, and Single Node is for simpler workloads with just one node. We will select Single Node for our configuration. For Access Mode, choose Single User to restrict access to one specific user, which is useful for private clusters. Next, under Databricks Runtime Version, select the version you need. For this setup, we will use 15.4 LTS for long-term support and performance stability. Enable Photon Acceleration for faster query performance and better resource utilization when processing large datasets. For node type, we will choose Standard DS3v2, which offers 14 GB of memory and 4 cores. Set the cluster to automatically terminate after 10 minutes of inactivity. This saves costs by shutting down the cluster when not in use. You can add tags for cost management, resource identification, or billing purposes. These tags are optional but useful, especially in larger environments. Once all settings are configured, click Create Compute. The creation process will begin and may take a few minutes. Our Data KL cluster is now ready to be used in Databricks. You can start attaching jobs, notebooks, or other tasks to this cluster for processing. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Databricks. Thanks for watching.